In today's video, I will be talking about one PIXELMON server that is releasing today. I will be going through the features of my server as well as how you can join. I will still be making Anime Adventures content, but you will probably see most of my streams shifted towards PIXELMON. Speaking of which, I will be streaming the release of my server, so make sure to check that out. This video is coming out 4 hours before the release of my server. And so my PIXELMON server is releasing at 8 p.m. EST, that is 5 p.m. PST, and if neither of those are your time zones, feel free to convert it. If you do all the steps and try to join the server before the times of release, it won't let you in, but feel free to get everything ready so when we are releasing, you guys can join with no hassle. Here's how you install my mod pack and join my server. So the first thing we're going to want to do is search up CurseForge install, like so. And then click on this link right here, CurseForge mods and add-ons. And then once you click it, you'll be brought to this page. If you're not on Windows, hit this button. If you are on Windows, then you can just hit this. So we're going to hit this, and we can see here that the download has started. Wait for it to be done, then click on CurseForge like so. You guys can't see this right now, but it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just hit yes, and then it will pop up with the installer right here. All you have to do is hit next. This is personal preference. I like to check this off. Just make sure you tick this one on, hit next, and then just wait for this to be downloaded. It shouldn't take too long. It will be done, in a few seconds. And of course, guys, if you are excited for PIXELMON server, let me know down below in the comments, guys. I'm pretty excited for it. I've been in the working for a little bit now, not too terribly long, but I'm definitely excited to release this PIXELMON server. And unfortunately, it's only Java, so if you're not on computer and you don't have Java Minecraft, you won't be able to join, but if you are, you guys can join. So now you guys will see this, CurseForge and Overwolf successfully installed. Just hit launch, and now this is gonna actually open CurseForge. And also, I just want to mention to you guys, if you do have Minecraft but you don't have it installed, you do need to have it installed. So that's all you need to do is have Minecraft installed, guys. You don't need to download anything else. You don't have to get the mods separate. It's all put together in a mod pack that is very simple to download. I'll show you guys how to do that once my CurseForge actually does open. But yeah, do make sure you have Minecraft installed, and it has to be Java. I'm going to skip the intro. You guys can do the same. But we can see here, Minecraft. So this is the one I'm going to be clicking on, Minecraft Java Edition. There's other stuff here if you want to check that out. But here we go. We can see here, Minecraft My Mod Packs, browse mod packs. We're going to go up to search for mod packs, and all we're going to do is search Vile Studio. Just like this, guys. Vile Studio. I will have this along with the IP and my Discord server all in the description and in a pinned comment. But yeah, once you type in Vile Studio exactly like this, hit enter, you are going to see 2 results. This is not mine, okay? Violent Emmy's Peach Patch. No, that's not the one we want to download. We want to download this one right here. So, once you see this one, guys, all you have to do is make sure it says by V5L0R, so Valor, of course. Vile Studio has this profile picture, and all you have to do, guys, is hit install, like so. And now everything's going to install. Gotta give it a second. There's 18 mods, as you can see, and I'll be back to you guys once it actually does finish installing. We can see here it is finished downloading. So now if we go to my mod packs, we can see Vile Studios right here. Of course, you guys can check out the mods, anything you want really, but that's all you have to do. Now all you're gonna have to do is hit play, and once you hit play, everyone, it's gonna bring up this menu that I will show on screen here in a second. I'm just waiting for it to log me in. There we go. As you can see here, it does bring up Minecraft. So we can see here it automatically creates a profile, call it after the mod pack. So in this case, Vile Studio. And yeah, all you have to do is hit play, and then hit I understand, whatever. Just hit play again and wait for it to launch. Now, I do want to mention something, everyone. If you ever lag, head down here to the settings. Go over to Minecraft. Scroll on down to allocated memory and crank this up a bit. Depending on how much memory you have, you can crank it up a good bit. I'm gonna basically double it to 8 gigs instead of 4 gigs, so that hopefully it's a little bit less laggy on my end, and you guys can do the same, change it to whatever you wish. So we can see here that Minecraft is booting up, yeah, right here. So this is what it's gonna look like, everyone. It's gonna talk about all this random stuff. This is just it loading all the mods, so it may take a quick second, but all it's doing is loading up the mods. We'll be in the main lobby here in a second, I think, right? No, looks like we have a little bit more to go. Alright, I'll check in with you guys once we actually boot up the game. Oh, Would you look at that? There we are. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually change my settings, because if you didn't know, every time you install like a new Minecraft, it kind of resets all your settings. So unfortunately, I need to go through and change all these, so I will do that real quick. Seriously, won't take me long at all. 16 chunks, 240 FPS. Let's go with clouds off, graphics fast, VSync off, GUI scale bright. I think it's just a little bit too loud for me still, so I'll turn it down, and bam, you guys can change your settings. You don't have to. I would recommend changing your FOV though, because otherwise it will look pretty bad. Once you boot up, just go over to multiplayer, and you'll see all these random PIXELMON servers. It automatically gets added. Feel free to unfavorite them all by just clicking these stars, and bam, we can see it now. They're all gone. So once you're here, all we're going to want to do is hit add server. Server name does not matter. This can be whatever you want. In my instance, I'm just going to call it I'll just call it my PIXELMON server. You guys can call it whatever you wish. And then the server address, this is important. This has to be exactly what I'm going to put on screen in the server address box, in the description, and in the pinned comment. Make sure you get it exactly. All we're going to type is valors, like so, PIXELMON, and then go .apexmc.co, and then hit done. Okay, and then we can scroll down and give it a second to load here, and bam, we can see my logo popped up and everything like that. You guys can favorite it. I of course am. Do keep in mind that it may look a little different on release. I'm going to be changing the MOTD, so that's what this is, by the way, this little MOTD here. I'm going to be changing that. So yeah, that'll be changed a little bit. And if for whatever reason it just says like something like can't connect to server, just hit refresh down here, and then you should see everything. And then guys, all you have to do is hit play, and bam, you are in the world of PIXELMON. Of course, this video is coming out 4 hours before release, so just do keep that in mind. Now, if you're wondering what the features are for my server, I will list a few of them off right now. First of all, we are going to have an event every Sunday, where you go into like a tournament-based thingy with brackets, and it's going to be 1v1s until we get to the final person. Winner will, of course, be receiving some rewards. There are also ranks, not buyable ranks. The only, I guess you could call buyable rank is supporter. Anyone who is a current YouTube member or a server booster on my Discord server will get the supporter rank. And if you're wondering like, oh, how do I prove it? Once the PIXELMON server releases on my Discord server, I have an entire category set for PIXELMON. I will make it public and actually seeable when the server releases, and in there you will see supporter, how to prove, and then supporter proof channel. So that's how that's going to go. It's pretty simple. Other ranks are just mod and my rank, and then it's just member. There are things like tags, which you can win a few from winning these Sunday tournaments, of course. And I mean, yeah, there's also some other cool features you guys can certainly check out. We have a daily sort of gym/challenge feature. So yeah, there's definitely some cool stuff, and if you guys have suggestions, feel free to join my Discord server. And like I said, there's an entire category sent for Pokemon, so you can go on there, go to like the PIXELMON suggestions chat or whatever it's called, and send your suggestions in there. If you guys have any questions or encounter any issues throughout your experience, and you know something goes wrong, anything like that, all you have to do is, in my Discord server, make a report about it and ask in Pixel Chat, or if it's a bug, I have a bug reports channel. Of course, guys, that is going to do it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, consider leaving a like and subscribing. I am super excited, guys. 4 hours. 8 p.m. EST, 5 p.m. PST. Feel free to convert that to whatever time zone you are. Just type it into a converter, 8 p.m. EST to whatever time zone you guys are. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching to the end. I hope you guys join me on the PIXELMON server, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.